Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brine for sauerkraut. First, gather your ingredients: non-iodized salt and filtered water. Next, measure them precisely to achieve the correct ratio. Then, mix thoroughly until the salt is fully dissolved. Finally, pour the prepared brine over your shredded cabbage, ensuring it is completely submerged for optimal fermentation. This simple process ensures delicious, perfectly fermented sauerkraut every time. For the best sauerkraut brine, always use non-iodized salt, like pickling or sea salt, as iodine can interfere with fermentation. The most common and effective ratio is 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt for every 1 quart of water. It is crucial to measure both the salt and water precisely to ensure consistent salinity. Also, use filtered water to avoid chlorine, which can inhibit beneficial bacteria. To mix your brine, combine the measured salt and water in a clean container. Stir the mixture vigorously until all the salt crystals have completely dissolved. It is crucial that the salt is fully incorporated to ensure an even salinity throughout your brine. Make sure the water is at room temperature before mixing for the best results. This step is vital for successful fermentation. Once your brine is perfectly mixed, it's time to apply it to your cabbage. Carefully pour the brine over the shredded cabbage in your fermentation vessel. Ensure that all the cabbage is completely submerged beneath the liquid. Use a fermentation weight to keep the cabbage pressed down. This prevents mold and ensures proper anaerobic fermentation, leading to delicious sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.